This is Matt, and this will be a short, straightforward video on how to change the paper size in Google Docs. So I'm right here on Google Docs in an untitled document. I have this demo kind of text I found online right here that I've been using for all of these videos right here on Google Docs. What we will do to change the paper size, we will come up to the very top where it says File. Now we come all the way down to the bottom. We have Print at the bottom. We want to come one above, and we will click on Page Setup right here. So once we have clicked on Page Setup, the main Page Setup window opens right here. We can do things like the orientation, we can change portrait and landscape, we can do the page color right here. But purposes of this video, we can change the paper size. Now, by default, we have letter 8.5 inches by 11 inches. We can click there, and we have a whole bunch of different options. So we can set A4, we can set A5, so on and so forth, all these different dimensions, as you can see right here. If you wanted A4, you would click on A4, and then you click OK, and you see that there is a small change there. So by default, surprisingly, Google Docs isn't even actually in A4. It's actually in this other one right here. If we come back to Page Setup, so at least on mine, I had letter 8.5 set. There's only a slight difference, as you can see in the dimensions, but that is how you will change the paper size in Google Docs. You have all of these options. Once you've selected one in Page Setup, you will click OK, and the changes will be immediately reflected. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.